The electric car market has evolved rapidly over the past few years, and 2025 is shaping up to be a landmark year. With automakers pushing the boundaries of what's possible, electric vehicles are becoming more efficient, more stylish, and more affordable. In this video, we'll look at the top electric car models of 2025 that are set to revolutionize the industry, combining cutting-edge technology, sustainability, and performance. One of the most talked about electric vehicles in recent years, the Tesla Cybertruck is finally hitting the roads in 2025. With up to 800 horsepower, over 500 miles of range, and 0 to 60 in just 2.9 seconds, Tesla's Cybertruck is an all-electric beast that combines rugged utility with futuristic design. With a towing capacity of over 14,000 pounds, it's built for serious work. The Mercedes-Benz EQS 584 Matic is a luxury electric sedan that delivers world-class performance and comfort. With 516 horsepower, 350 miles of range, and the revolutionary M-Bux Hyperscreen, the Ford F-150 Lightning brings electric power to America's best-selling truck. With 563 horsepower and the ability to power your entire home, it's the perfect blend of toughness and sustainability. The Audi Q4 e-tron is an all-electric luxury SUV that combines cutting-edge technology with Audi's renowned sophistication. With 295 horsepower, advanced safety features, and a virtual cockpit, it offers the ideal balance of luxury and practicality. These 2025 electric cars feature longer range,